Hello everybody and welcome back to Twisted. Yes, I know, it has been a while since the last video, but that's going to change to this episode. So we got a brand new episode because of course Twisted's been updated. It's been updated for about almost a month. It feels like it. I don't know how long it's been now. Anyway, it's been a few weeks at least. And I've had actually enjoyable times. I got burnt out on it originally because it is got repetitive and nothing ever changed. But we got new vehicles that I'll go over in future episodes. Of course, we got Dominator 2 is what we're going to start rolling off with today. Completely revamped Dom 2. And I love it because all the doors open and it's wonderful. And they still don't have deployment sounds yet, which is a bummer. So hopefully they will get them added soon. And I get the Lexan fixed for Dom 1 and 2. And, but this game is gotten so much better. And get a developer's credit where its credit is due. But without further ado, we're going to wait until storms pop off. So we got the storm popping up over West Viroqua. And the storms are moving northeast in northeast direction. So we're probably going to have a hook down here. So we're probably going to move. See, we're just right here. Probably head towards Almora. And try to get close to in between Almora and Hiram. Might be our best place to go. So I'm going to move there and I will see you in just a moment. So I'm right here trying to figure out which way I want to go. Because there's not really that great, or that many road options down here. Let's just go to velocity. So I got rotation starting to form here. I think the best course of action is to me stay along this road and see where it heads and then determine my course of action. I might move just south of Sneed. Just across the river and the bridge right here. Might be the place to go. And I'll sit there for a moment because it's just that way. You can't see it, but it's down that way. I can't see anything from here. But I'm gonna move up this road here, stay on this road, and we'll see where this rotation heads and make our move based on where it heads. Oh, we got a funnel. We got a funnel right here. Got one right there. Let's pull over right here. Yeah, we got a funnel. We got a funnel, and the last few times it's just going straight north. Let's see where it goes when it's update. But we definitely do have a funnel. It's kind of hard to judge where it's going. I think it might head just behind us a little bit. But we'll keep watching. Let's zoom in a little bit more. It is a pretty good strong tornado.
The safest place to be during a tornado is in a basement.
I'm gonna back up just a little bit.
Sturdy furniture. If no basement is available, seek shelter on the lowest floor of the building.
Okay, it's getting stronger.
Rooms such as a closet.
We may have a wedge in a moment.
To cover your body and always stay away from windows. If in mobile homes,
yeah, we got a big time tornado on the ground. Big time. Big time. Yay.
No shelter is available.
Okay, we gotta back up. We gotta back up. We gotta back up.
Cover your head with your hands. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado, making it extremely difficult to see.
Oh wow, that's a pretty good tornado actually.
Tornado. Take cover now.
Here's thumbnail. But okay, we gotta back up a little bit more. We gotta back up. It's getting hard to see now. It's right there. I can see it. It's faint. You can see it. It's barely. This is what I like about the new update. It's so hard. It's more realistic. It's hard to see. Okay, it's coming. Boom. Oh, here it is. Let's see where it's heading. Let's see where it's heading. Okay, we're going to back up a little bit more.
The National Weather Service in Hazleton has issued a tornado warning for Cherokee County in north-central Keysota.
This is where everybody's thinking it's going to come down at.
Doppler radar indicated a tornado on the ground near Sneed. Doppler radar showed this tornado moving northeast at 60 miles per hour.
Okay, let's see where it's heading.
Locations impacted include Cherokee Village,
I'm gonna back up a little bit more. I'm gonna back up a little bit more. I'm back up. Keep backing up.
Heavy rainfall may
We ain't
hide the
deploying until the last
tornado,
minute.
making it extremely difficult to see. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Take cover now. Move to
Let's see what color it is. It's
lowest
yellow.
floor of a sturdy building. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle,
Right here,
move to the
right here.
closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Okay. Okay, let's see. See where it's going. Let's see. Okay, we're dropping down. We're dropping down. We're dropping down. Okay, we're deployed. Okay, wow. I love the new sound for intercepts or inside tornadoes now. So we're gonna undeploy. Let's see if there's any other storms on the map. Yeah. Hibbing. We might actually turn and head down towards Hibbing. So I'll see you there in just a moment. Oh, we got a tornado heading towards Starbuck? That briefly popped up on the map. Then went away. Yeah, we got a tornado on the ground right here. You can see it. It's just right there. It looks like. Oh, we got a big time tornado and heading for Starbuck. I just saw it briefly. Hold on. We'll see it in just a second again. Yeah, we got a big, violent tornado and heading for Starbuck. Yeah. We got a wedge. But we are going to intercept it. You can see the edge of the rotation right here. It's in the radar's blind spot. Starbuck's about to get wiped off. Hopefully we can make it just in time to make the perfect intercept. I hope we can. Oh wow, that thing's a monster. We got big time power flashes. We don't know how strong this tornado is because it's not showing it. So we'll have to deploy based on this the wedge tornado. If I think it's good enough to internet there. Good enough to intercept. Good enough to internet. Okay, we probably gonna have to deploy in a spot where all my settings, my render, this just get turned down. You know it shouldn't be. I'm gonna have to fix that in a minute. But either way, this is gonna be a very close intercept. So we're pretty much gonna have to deploy as soon as we get into Starbuck. You can hear the roar from it. Okay, I'm going to have to fix some of the rendering stuff. I don't know why it's doing that, but let's see where this thing's heading. Left motion, left motion. You can hear the roar from it. I might stop talking and just let you listen to it because it's wonderful. It's hard to see. I can't see it. I know it's through here. There it is. Oh. Violent tornado in Starbuck. Oh. Oh, it's red. Okay, so we'll have to deploy it before it gets to us exactly. Okay. Okay. I'm trying to see which way is it going. It was red. So we may have to deploy already. Okay, we're dropping down. We are deployed. Let's see if we... I hope this is a good intercept. Please be a good intercept. Please don't die on me, tornado. Okay, I'm gonna quit talking and let you listen.
Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado, making it extremely difficult to see. Do you know?
We're not even inside the main circulation. Look at the wind we're getting. I think the circulation may have shifted and got 150 is the highest it's got so far. Oh, this dude's supposed to go flying. Yep. Get sucked into it. Okay, we're on the back end of it now. Oh, that looks intimidating. Oh. So we're in the RFD of it now, actually. You know what? I might try to get back into a place and try to re-intercept this.